Hey, alright, it is so dark right now. And it's like 4 p.m. It's so dark outside. I don't want to light my candle because I kind of am in a rush. Like, I'm going out with my friends and I'm meeting them in like 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be meeting them in 30 minutes. It's 4 o'clock, okay? I have had all day to get ready and my camera's back flashing red. Let's try that again. So yeah, I have had all day. I have had all day, okay? I haven't been at work today. I have known all day that I need to be out the door at this time, but what have I been doing? I've been laying in bed playing Pokemon all day. Okay, not gonna lie, I have edited a video, so it's not that bad, okay? By the way, I'm just gonna get straight into it. It does look really dark, I don't like it. So I'm in an Avengers t-shirt, and you know what? I think I may wear this out. This is what I sleep in. Well, it's what I have slept in. I think I may just wear this out because so it's October 23rd today when I'm filming this. I went to a Halloween drive-in, what's it called? I don't even know what it's called. It's a drive-in like scare fest thing. I can't remember what it's called. I don't know. It's near the Trafford Centre, I'm assuming. I'm out with my friends tonight. Obviously, I am the designated driver because I'm the only one out of the 3 of us that drives. So I do not mind. I like being the driver. I like driving, so I'm good with that. But I've never been to like a drive-in thing, so it's like these people are that are going to be jumping out and scaring me. Like, don't scare me too much because I'm gonna run you over. And then after that, it's just a movie that they're gonna play. So it's a drive-through movie or drive-in. I don't know. You know what I mean? You sit in your car and you watch the movie with your friends. Okay. I do not need to do my makeup in the slightest. But I thought, you know what? I haven't done like a little actual like get ready with me when I've like for like going out anywhere recently. So I thought, you know what? Let's just have a little chat. And honestly now it's probably gonna be like a bit more difficult for me to film videos because I've got a new job. So I'm doing a lot more hours than I was before. I just kind of have to film all my videos like on the weekend. I used to be able to spread them out and like during the week obviously I can like film videos here and there, but now it's like no, I gotta get it all done on the weekend. So I thought I'd just do a little get ready with me because I haven't actually done one in a while. I am gonna forget to tell you everything I'm using, so bear with me. I did use my fave, my Kosas face oil. It's the Tinted Face Oil and I used the shade 5 in that. My friend is texting me. I swear to God, if he's like, yeah, I'll be there soon, I'm gonna cry. Oh, I also am in the worst position because I need to actually go to Boots before I meet my friends. We're just a bit of a mess, to be honest. I mean, I always am, but you know what? If you were always... I feel like I was talking about this in one of my last videos, like, I'm just always late and I just always watch the time go by. Work is different. Like, work, because it's like, I know I have to be on time, so like, I won't be late for work. But, well, my old job, yeah, because I just didn't care and I didn't want to be there. But now, like, I would be late. Okay, here's the thing. It just kind of depends on traffic now for me, because if there's a load of traffic, then I'm gonna have an issue. But then again, if I'm late, that's a good excuse. I'll be like, yo guys, traffic, sorry. So that's concealer and kind of foundation done. I'm just gonna powder my under eyes and then we're gonna do some eyeshadow. And to that, we're gonna talk about the eyeshadow because I am obsessed with this eyeshadow palette and I have been using it since it came out and it needs to be talked about. So I'm gonna leave that there for a minute. Not on the top though. I'm gonna let my under eyes set a little bit actually. I'll kind of talk through a bit of what I'm doing. So this eyeshadow palette, oh my god, I love it. So Jade Thirlwall, who if you have no idea who she is one of the girls from Little Mix. She has collabed with Beauty Bay and has come out with this gigantic palette into Astrology, crystals, you know, so she's like designed this really well with them and I love it. She's got a nice message on the back. And honestly, the quality of these eyeshadows are no joke. Like, also, this whole palette is £30. Only £30, and you get a million, it's a 42 shades in there. I think it's a 42 pan eyeshadow palette. So like, honestly, if you like your colour and you like good eyeshadow quality, then, you know, this is definitely something to invest in. Or maybe like Black Friday's not too far away. It's like, what, a month away? Maybe if you want to save it for then or whatever. It is limited edition as well, so I'm just saying. It is definitely worth getting your hands on if you want it. Honestly, the quality is so good. Like, I have used Beauty Bay eyeshadows before and I wasn't overly obsessed with them, but they've done something different with these. Like, the next level. Like, the shimmers are so good, and so are the mattes as well. You just have to build them up a little bit, but that's absolutely fine. So I'm gonna kind of stick with the kind of reddy tones today. I mean, I'm not actually wearing this, but I'm just gonna wear a red hoodie. So we're gonna stick with the kind of red tones. I'm just gonna do a little look with the... Why is my friend fully bombarding me with messages? Like, to be fair, he has no idea that I'm filming. I also, another thing, also look at that, like, that's done. I also decided that I should repaint my nails like 20 minutes ago. So like, my nails, they're probably still a bit wet, but I just decided to redo my nails. Okay. Alright, here's the other thing about this like scare thing that I'm going to, right? I'm like kind of scared. Like, if someone jumps out, like, I'm like 50-50, like, I will get scared, but I also won't like scream. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'll get a bit scared, but I'm not gonna be over the top, like, petrified. This is like the first like proper thing that I'm actually doing like for Halloween. Obviously last year, they probably wasn't doing anything, were they? You know what, I literally don't even remember October last year. I feel like most of 2020 like was literally just a blur. Like, especially obviously towards the end of the year, I was just not present for that, as we know. Like, I really don't remember it. Like, obviously I worked in retail, like, obviously back then. So it's like, I don't even remember any of the Halloween stuff. I don't remember anything. So I feel like it's extra special that like we're actually doing something for Halloween. And also, like, me and my friends, like, we've been, like, the three of us, we've kind of been friends for like over like 4 years we've known each other for. So it's like, we've also never done anything for Halloween in 4 years. Weird. So this is like the first year we're actually like doing things and we're actually making an effort, which I'm proud of. I'm proud of us for that, and I'm proud that we actually pulled through and none of us cancelled, which would have been the Libra. Ooh, I really want to use Red Planet, which is like this red one up here, but then it's also like too dark. I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna take Angel of the North. Actually, I'm gonna take Red Planet. Fuck it. Let's just, oh, this is probably gonna stain my brush, but look at that pigment. I'm kind of enjoying the red theme that I'm going for today. Like when I did my nails as well, I've kind of done, well, I kind of hate them now because I had this, which is, I always leave my nail polish, by the way, whatever I have in my nails, I always leave it in my description box. So if you ever want to know, I leave it down there because I used to get a lot of questions asking what nail polish and stuff I'm using. The top one is kind of like this like sparkly colour. It's like a silvery purple sparkle. And I thought it was going to be really sheer, not realising that I have used it before. And it's actually very pigmented. And then I put this like, this one that you can see, like the glittery one, I put that over thinking it just looked like a nice like a little glitter topper kind of thing. Yeah, I didn't realise that it was too pigmented, and now it just kind of looks like I have like bleeding nails underneath. But then again, you know what? It's Halloween soon, isn't it? So I can just pretend that they're like Halloween nails. I'm gonna take What's Your Sign, Hun? I love that name. Which is this shimmery one here, and then I'm gonna take that one to like deepen up the outer corner. But yeah, honestly, since I've had this palette, like I've got my Eternals palette from Urban Decay like right underneath. Not gonna lie, I haven't actually touched that since I got Jade's palette, because I've actually been using this a lot more. So public apology to the Eternals for not using their eyeshadow palette. But you know what? I'm gonna go watch the movie when it comes out. I think it's like next week or like 2 weeks or something. So I'm gonna go watch that with my friends, and I promised on the day. And he said to me, he was like, oh, well, you obviously need to wear that eyeshadow palette when you go see the movie, so. Not that anyone would know, I'm gonna be sat in the dark, but it's the thought, you know, the thought that I will be wearing the eyeshadow palette. You know what, I've actually got time, I think I'll be okay, I don't think I'm gonna be late. Okay, now I'm gonna take that really dark red that I said. Where are all my brushes? I feel like they've all just disappeared and I don't know where they are. Let me just pop on my eyeliner and mascara and then I'll come back in a sec. So I use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the best, and I'm just going to use my e.l.f. putty bronzer, and then I'm actually going to use a powdered bronzer to go over it as well. Okay, I need to leave in like 15 minutes, but I think I'm okay actually, because I don't need to get a bag. I also need to return something from Boots. It's also a Saturday as well. It's gonna be busy. You know what? Oh, also, I think we need to mark this in the calendar or something, because like, I've never ever returned anything in a store before. Never. Not clothes, nothing. And this is like a makeup product as well, so I'm a bit like, well, I haven't opened it. I literally haven't even opened the box. I got a NYX primer the other day. It's literally still in the box. I haven't even opened that, so obviously the seal inside, everything's still closed. But like, I thought it was the SPF primer. That's what I've been wanting for a while. I thought it was that, but I've literally picked up the completely wrong one. Well, it turns out the packaging just looks very similar to it. I wanted like the SPF one and I just got the normal primer. I need to return that before I actually meet my friends as well, and I need to pick up my order. And it's a Saturday. Like I said, I'm already late. There's no point rushing. All right, I'm gonna use a little glowy bronzer over top just to set that, because I'm gonna be, oh, I need to remember to take some blankets for me and my friends for while we watch the movie. I think that'll be nice and cozy, so I'm gonna pack some blankets for us, and we're good to go. Okay, do I even want to put blush on? Do I want to put blush on? Who is she? Of course I'm going to put blush on. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. blush that I don't know the name of because they didn't put them on the packaging. Okay, I'm gonna set my face real quick. I actually want to use highlight today as well. I was talking about this with my friend the other day, but not this exact highlight. She got a Fenty highlighter, but she didn't like it because it was like really sparkly and it was just full on glitter like on her face, and she actually wore it when we were in work the other day, and like you could see it was just like pure glitter, and we were just looking at it like, this is not what we need. So it then reminded me, and it was the kind of like domed highlights from Fenty, that was the kind of one that she got. And then it reminded me that I had this, which I love and is not the same formula whatsoever, but this is the Kilowatt highlight in Hustla Baby. But I remember loving this highlighter, so look at that. It's just like the perfect shade for me as well. I feel like this is a very jade like lip to actually go with the eye look. Like I know she like wears a lot of reds and my camera light has just died. Great timing. And then I'm gonna go over with a Dose of Colours liquid lipstick. All right guys, thank you for joining this Get Ready with me. Thank you for joining me basically. So I hope you enjoyed the little chit chat. You know, I haven't actually like sat down and filmed properly. I don't know why I do that. Yeah, I haven't sat down and like filmed like this in a while. I am gonna film literally tomorrow anyway, just so I've got some more videos filmed. But yeah, I've got like a lot of more videos planned as well. But as always, let me know what else you want to see. If you want some more like makeup looks with this jade palette, let me know. Same with the Eternals palette, I don't know, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure I'll let you know in my next video or something how the Halloween drive-in thing went. So thank you again for joining me. I keep saying everything in the wrong order. So on that note, I'm just gonna go. I'll see you in my next video.